Have you ever had a problem when your model's posture is not perfect, but other than that the whole photograph is great? For these cases, Photoshop has an amazing feature called the Puppet Warp tool. Let me show you how it works. I will right click on this image and choose Edit in Photoshop. And I will have these three options in this case because this image was already edited in Photoshop and it's already a Photoshop file. Here at the bottom you can see PSD. So in this case I can choose Edit Original, or I can create a copy. So this would be the second time I edited, and that means it will create a second version. So 2 PSD files in my catalog. Or I can also use Edit the copy with the Lightroom adjustments, if I had edit adjustments in Lightroom, but I'm going to just simply use Edit Original. And as you can see here in Photoshop, what I've done, I've already selected her from the background and I cloned in the background using Content Aware fill to replace her and create a neutral background from the wall. So I have the wall on the background and her on a separate layer. If I turn off the background, you can see the transparency around her. So that's all I've done. And I also turned the layer of the model into a smart object. So this one, layer 1, is actually the model and it's turned into a smart object. To do that, you need to right click on a layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. The reason why I'm doing this is to make it non-destructive, the editing that I'm going to do now. So I go to Edit and choose Puppet Warp while keeping the model layer selected. So I select this feature. I can place pinpoints on the model and then use the model like a puppet, dragging these pinpoints around. So let's start adding these pinpoints. I am going to put down one here on the feet, then one here, another one there, and another one on the head. Basically, I want her to look more towards the sky. So turn her head and the whole upper body a bit further towards the sky. So I'm going to drag this pinpoint now, and then the next one here. And I will make her turn more to the sky. I press enter to accept this change, and let's see before and after. So you can see we could easily turn her around while keeping the whole posture natural, because even the feet will move accordingly to the changes that you do on the head. So you can see, just have a look at the feet and also the whole body. It turns completely naturally using this amazing feature called Puppet Warp. In the next tutorial, I will show you another advantage of using Photoshop together with Lightroom, and that is how to add typography on your photographs.